our channel Eazy Btech. This is Krishna. In the last session, I had discussed about functions topic. See here, what is function? Types of function. There are two types of functions are there. Inbuilt function, user-defined function. Syntax of the function. And next one, types of arguments. I already told about positional argument, keyword arguments. When coming to the default arguments. What is default argument? Function arguments can have default values in Python. We can provide a default value to an argument by using equal operator. Okay, let's see with example program. For example, I am taking a function like display. The function name is display. This display function contains 3 arguments, either 4 arguments. Okay, so I am printing this a value. A is equal to a value. Print b is equal to b value. Print c is equal to c value. Print d is equal to d value. See here, when I am passing these arguments to this function 30, 40. Okay, so 10 is stored in A, 20 is stored in B, 30 is stored in C, 40 is stored in D. Let's print this. Okay, so perfectly it working perfectly, but it is called as positional arguments. Then what is default arguments? We can provide a default value to an argument by using equal operator. So here I am providing a default values, that is nothing but 0, a value is 0, b value is equal to 1. Whatever it may be, it is our wish according to the code. Okay, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2, d is equal to 3. For example, I am calling this function without arguments. I am calling this function without arguments. No problem, the code is executed successfully. So when I am calling display function, these display function definition already available default values. So here default values are executed like a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2, d is equal to 3. Let's execute this code. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2, d is equal to 3. Okay. Again, I am calling this function with 2 arguments. Okay. See here, a is stored in, so 100 is stored in a value, 200 is stored in b value. So here 0 is replaced with 100 and 1 is replaced with 200. Then a value is 100, b value is 200, but there is no c value, d value. Automatically c value is 2 and d value is 3. Okay. Again, let's execute this. See here. So I am providing some space in sprint for each execution of the function. Okay, it is the first function call and it is the second function call. Okay, again I am calling a function display of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, 1 is stored in A, 2 is stored in B, 3 is stored in C, 4 is stored in D. What about fifth one? There is no fifth argument in function definition display. So automatically it will generate an error message. See here, type error display takes 0 to 4 arguments. 0 to 4 positional arguments, but 5 were given. Okay. So it will take either 0 arguments, either 1 argument, either 2 argument, 3 argument, 4 argument. It will never take greater than 4 arguments. Okay. Let's see. another function call. For example, C is equal to, I am giving here keyword arguments. C is equal to somewhat Srujana. Okay, let's print. See here, A value is 0 as it is, B value is 1, but C value is changed to 5 because I am using here keyword argument. Okay, that's it. This is an example program for default arguments. Let's see another. This is the fourth argument. This is the fourth type of argument. Vararg means variable length argument. Vararg means variable length argument. Sometimes we don't know in advance the number of arguments that will be passed into a function. Python allows us to handle this type of situation through function call with arbitrary number of arguments. In this function, we use star before the parameter. Means sometimes we don't know in advance the number of arguments. For example, in the last example, see here, I passed 5 arguments, but whenever I passing greater than 4 arguments, automatically it will display some error like this. Sometimes we don't know about how many parameters we are passed in advance. That's why we are using variable length arguments. Sometimes I am passing 0 arguments. Sometimes I am passing 10 arguments. Sometimes I am passing 5 arguments. So whatever the length, the argument will be accepted. Whatever the length, the argument will be accepted. Such type of arguments is called as variable length arguments. So how we can define that is a normal variable, that is a Vararg variable. So Vararg variable contains star before the parameter. Let's see. Star A means it is a Vararg variable. It is not a normal variable, it is Vararg variable. Maybe this variable contains 0 parameters or 1 parameter, 2 parameter, more than 1, more than 2, like this. Any number of length. Okay. So, maybe series of value. So, that's why I am taking in for loop for I in A. Print I and equal to. After that, print. Okay. See here, first of all, I am calling display function without arguments. No problem, this is executed successfully. After that, I am passing display function with 2 arguments. So, these two arguments are stored in a variable. Means it is a Vararg argument, variable length argument. It will store all the elements that are passed in function call. After that, I call with 5 parameters. These 5 parameters are stored in A. Let's print this. Okay, I am giving some space. Like this, 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I am passing 10 parameters, no problem, it will accept and print. This is called variable length argument. Okay. Next one. Types of variable. How many types of variables is there? There are 3 types of variables. First one is global variable, local variable, non-local variable. Okay. Global variable, local variable, non-local variable. What is a global variable? A variable which is declared outside the function or in global scope is known as global variable. That means global variable can be accessed inside or outside the function. Inside or outside the function. Let's see an example for global variable. For example, here I am taking def. It is a function, sample function. In this sample function, I am taking y is equal to 20. Print y is equal to y value. Okay. X is equal to 10. Print x is equal to x value. After that I am calling sample function. Let's see this. For example, here, so the program execution starts with x is equal to 10. Okay. So x is equal to 10. X value is 10. After that, I am calling sample function. Sample is executed. In sample function, y is there. Y is equal to 10. Then here, y value is 20. Then x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20 is the answer. See here, it is a global variable because this variable is declared outside the function. So whenever it is a global variable, it can be accessed outside the function and inside the function also. So let's see. I am writing inside the function. So whenever it is a global variable, it will access outside the function and inside the function also. Let's print. See here, x is equal to 10. It is an inside function. Y is equal to 20. X is equal to 10. Like inside function. Inside function. It is an outside function. Outside function. Okay. Outside function x is equal to 10. So inside function y is equal to 20. Inside function x is equal to 10. This is about global variable. That means global variable can be accessed inside or outside the function. What is local variable? A variable which is declared inside the function body or local scope is known as local variable. These variables are accessed within the function only, not in outside the function. See here y is a local variable. Why? Because the variable which is declared inside the function, this is known as local variable. These variable can't be accessed outside. These variable can't be accessed outside. See here, I am printing. Name error. Name y is not defined. Local variable accessed within the function only. It doesn't access outside the function. That is about local variable. Okay. What is non-local variable? Non-local variable used in nested function. Non-local variables used in nested function whose local scope is not defined. This means the variable can be neither in local nor in global scope. What is that? See in the example. Okay. For example, I am taking a function as outer function. In outer function, I am taking a variable x is equal to 10. Print x value, x is equal to x value. So here answer is x is equal to 10. I am calling the function outer. X value is 10. Okay, it will works perfectly. So what is non-local variable? Non-local variable in nested function. What is the meaning of nested function? One function present in another function. What is the meaning of nested? If one if condition present in nested, one if condition present in another if. In that form, one function present in another function is called as nested function. Okay. See here, it is a nested function. Inner is present in outer. Okay. In this also x is equal to 20. I am taking both variables are with the same name. X is equal to 20. Print in inner function. In inner function x is equal to x value. Okay. Here I am calling inner function. In outer function x value. outer function x value. So first of all I am calling outer function. So outer function is executed, x is equal to 10. After that inner is executed. First of all the inner function x is equal to 20. First this statement is printed. In inner function x value is equal to 20. After that in outer function x value is equal to 10 is the answer. 20, 10. The answer is 20, 10. See here, let's observe this. When I am declaring these x value, nested function x value with non-local x. Whenever I will declare this x value as non-local, automatically the outer function x value is also changed. Means it is neither in outer nor in inner, like this. This function is, see here, local. The variable can be neither in local nor in global scope, like this. It's working like that. Okay. So then x value is 20 in inner and outer also. Let's print this. So the inner function x value is 20. The outer function x value is also 20. The local, non-local variable are working nested functions only. Okay. That means that variable can be neither in local nor in global scope. This is about types of variables. Let's move on to the global keyword. What is a global keyword? Global keyword allows to modify the variable outside the function. Global keyword allows to modify the variable outside the function. Okay. When we create a variable, this is the rules for global keyword. When we create a variable inside a function, it is by default local. Okay, this point is clear. I already told that when we define a variable outside a function, it is by default global. It is also clear. When use global to read and write a global variable inside a function. We use global to read and write a global variable inside a function. Okay. Use of global keyword outside a function has no effect. Okay. Let's see this example. For example, I am taking a function. The function is display. In this display, I am taking a variable x is equal to 10. Print x is equal to x value. I am calling this function display. Okay. Display is executed, x value is 10. It is the answer. Here I am printing x value again. We got an error message. Why? Because x is local. But I am printing globally. That's why name error will come. Name x is not defined. If I put global keyword for x. Global x means it will access inside the function and outside the function also. Then x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10. So this is about global keyword. Okay. This is about global keyword. Okay. Let's see an example program for functions. This is an InfyTQ question. Okay, banking application. So the output be like this. We have 4 options like deposit, withdraw, mobile recharge, exit. So enter amount for deposit. I am entering 2000. When I am clicking 1, deposit is executed. So I am entering 20,000. So balance is 20,000. Do you want to perform another operation? If I click S, again the menu will be open. The menu is deposit, withdraw, mobile recharge, exit. So I am clicking 3. 3 means mobile recharge. Enter amount 100 rupees. Recharge successful. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. Deposit. The menu will be open. 2. 2 means withdraw 500. Okay. My balance. Next. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. What is that operation? 2. 2 means withdraw. I am withdrawing 25,000. But my balance is 19,000. 19,400. Okay. So insufficient balance. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. That operation is 1. Deposit. Again I will deposit 1,000 rupees. Okay. My balance is 20,400. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes. My answer is 2. Withdraw. Okay. Withdraw successfully. Next my answer is yes. Mobile recharge. And the answer is 4. 4 means exit from the loop. Thanks for using our application. Okay. So it is our application by using functions. We have to develop these applications. Okay. First of all, we have to write a code for menu. While true. What is that menu? What is that menu? Deposit, withdraw, mobile recharge, exit. Okay. I am taking option. Option is equal to input of, again int of input of, because see here I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. That's why I am taking int of input of. First one is what? Deposit. New line. What is the second one? Second one is withdraw. What is the third one? Mobile recharge and exit. Mobile recharge. What is the fourth one? Fourth one is exit. Here I am selecting any one option. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. If I am selecting one value, one option. If option is equal to 1. If option is equal to 1. So what is the function performing deposit operation? It will perform deposit operation. So I have to call deposit function. I have to call deposit function. I have to call deposit function. Okay. Just write def deposit of. Just I am executing this code parts by parts. First of all, you have to write code for menu. Like here I am print deposit. If option is equal to 2. Print withdraw if option is equal to 3. Print mobile recharge if option is equal to 4. What is that message? Print thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. Thanks for using application. Thanks for using application. After that, we have to put break. See here, another message is here. Another message is there. Do you want to perform another operation? For example, ch is equal to input of. Do you want to perform another operation? If our answer is yes, it will iterate the loop. If our answer is no, it will terminate the loop. Let's execute this program. So my option is 1. Deposit, yes. 2. Withdraw, okay. Yes. 3. Mobile recharge, yes. 4 means thanks for using application, okay. Okay, menu is working successfully, okay. So menu is working successfully, then we will move on to the calculation part. So what is the deposit part? Deposit. Here we have to pass amount, okay. We have to pass amount. Whenever we click on deposit, enter amount for deposit. Whenever we click on deposit, first of all, amount is equal to int of input of enter amount for deposit. Okay, I'm entering some amount. So def deposit is a function. It will contain one parameter, that is nothing but amount, okay. I'm taking global variable as balance is equal to 0, okay. See here, in deposit, in option 1, you have to call deposit function. Deposit of AMD. Automatically, it will call the deposit function. In deposit function, what I do here, global amount, a global balance. Balance is a global variable. Amount balance is equal to balance plus amount. Okay, balance plus amount. It is a deposit function. Let's work on that function. So 1. Enter deposit amount. For example, I am entering 1000. Okay, let's print this amount. Print your balance is equal to balance. Let's execute this. 1. I am entering 1000. Your balance is 1000. Again, I will execute one operator. Yes. 1. 2 rupees I am giving. 1002 is the answer. Yes. 19,000. Okay. Sorry. Do you want to perform? Yes. 1. Enter amount for deposit 19,000. Now my balance is 20,002 rupees, like this. So what about withdraw? In withdraw also we have to enter some amount of money. Enter amount for withdraw. So now I can call withdraw function. Let's write a code for withdraw function. This function is over. Now I am writing withdraw function code. Function withdraw of amount. For example, I have account balance 10,000. I want to withdraw 8,000. Okay, withdraw successful. For example, I have amount 10,000. I want to withdraw 11,000. So what happened? Insufficient balance. It will display insufficient balance. Global balance. If I will enter balanced amount greater than balance. If I have 10,000 but I will enter to withdraw 11,000, then what will happen? Print insufficient balance. Insufficient balance is the answer. Or else let's balance is equal to balance minus amount. Let's print withdraw successful, withdraw successful, withdraw successful, withdraw successful. Your balance in new line, your balance equal to balance. Here deposit successful. Okay, after that execute this program. So okay, I want to enter 10,000. Deposit successful, your balance is 10,000. Yes, I have to perform another operation, that is nothing but withdraw. Withdraw, so 12,000, I am giving 12,000. Insufficient balance. Okay, and click S. I want to perform withdraw, so I have to withdraw 2,000. Withdraw successful, your balance is 8,000. So let's move for third one, that is nothing but mobile recharge. This is also like this. Enter amount for mobile recharge. Mobile recharge. Let's call a function mobile. Let's write a code for mobile function. Mobile function is same like that withdraw function. Just I will copy this code and I am executing this code. Mobile amount, insufficient balance. If I entered greater than amount greater than balance, then the answer is insufficient balance, either withdraw successful. Here instead of mobile recharge successful. Okay, let's execute. Here it is the total program. I want to deposit. Deposit is 100. Okay, so yes, I want to perform another operation. What is that? 3 mobile recharge. I have mobile recharge for 300. No, insufficient balance. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes, the operation is 1. That is nothing but deposit. I will enter 2000. 2100 is the balance. Do you want to perform another operation? Yes, that is nothing but withdraw. Okay, so for enter amount for withdraw, I am entering 3000. Insufficient balance. Okay, yes, I want to perform another operation. That is nothing but withdraw. I have 100 rupees. I want 100 rupees. Withdraw successful. Your balance is 2000. Okay, so okay, yes. 4 is the answer. Thanks for using this application. Okay, this is about functions using functions concept. Okay, up to now functions concept is completed. In the next session I will discuss about modules concept. Okay, if you have any doubts, please post on comment section. Please watch our videos. Okay, thanks for watching.